In the feed wheat sector, the yield tables for the past 3 seasons have consistently been topped by this variety LG Skyscraper, a tall-strawed soft group 4 variety. Now, it was inevitable that at some point a newer variety was going to come along and knock Skyscraper off of the top spot. This year we've actually got 3 feed varieties that have managed to beat it for yield, and the first that we're going to talk about is this variety RGT Bairstow. Bairstow has many similarities with Skyscraper. You can see that they are both taller strawed varieties. They both sit in this soft 4 feed sector, and both of them understandably are going to need management with a sensible PGR program. These 2 varieties are emblematic of what we've seen on the recommended list in recent years, where taller strawed varieties do seem to be providing the goods with yield. That may be something to do with the droughts that we've seen in springs in recent seasons and the moisture retention available in these taller strawed varieties. It does also mean that more focus has come onto lodging and lodging scores in particular. The AHDB have changed the way that they score lodging on the recommended list this year. So when you look at these 2 varieties and see 6s, don't be overly alarmed. They haven't dramatically gotten worse than last year. It's just a change in the rating system to try and tease out more differences between such a wide range of varieties. If we turn to look at yield, Bairstow performs remarkably consistently across the different growing regions in the UK and the different rotational positions. It could perform equally well as a first or second cereal. The only watch out would be on heavy land situations where inherent soil fertility may put the straw strength under pressure. Bairstow has a solid set of disease resistance ratings as well. Its resistance to yellow rust and septoria are good, and it also carries genetic resistance to orange wheat blossom midge. We can see, looking in this untreated plot, that the variety remains very clean, with yellow rust probably being the thing that we'd expect to see at this site at this time of year. With a moderate to fast speed of development and a high tillering capacity, Bairstow is very well suited to later drilling. We wouldn't recommend it for the early drilling slot. You'll be better served by other stiffer strawed varieties like KWS dorsum or KWS Colosseum if you want to be sowing in early September. But from perhaps the 3rd week of September onwards, Bairstow would represent a good option for sowing across much of the UK. Overall then, Bairstow presents an attractive package, particularly for growers who are used to varieties like LG Skyscraper or RGT Gravity. High yields are certainly achievable with this variety when placed in the right position and with the right agronomic management. On the right site, this soft feed variety really does have the potential to excel.